Welcome to Think Max. We are in class 10 Max, chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. In this session, we are going to discuss about exercise 3.2, question numbers 5, 6 and 7. So, fifth problem, half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. So the dimensions of the garden are length and width. So I assumed as length of the garden be L and width of the garden as W. So this is the rectangular garden. So its length is L and width is W. So next perimeter, we have to find the perimeter. So they gave the half the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36. So perimeter here is half the perimeter is 36. So perimeter formula is 2 into L plus W. So they gave half the perimeter is 36. So it means half the perimeter is 2 into L plus W, which is equal to 36. So this means this both 2 gets cancelled. Then length plus width is equal to 36. So this is one equation. Then they gave length whose length is 4 meter more than its width. So length is equal to length which is L. It is 4 more. 4 more means plus 4. 4 more than its width. So width is W. So we get L is equal to W plus 4. So this is the second equation. So we have to solve the first and second equation to get L and W. So we are going to substitute L is equal to W plus 4 in 1. So this is substitute 2 in 1. Then we get in 1 we are going to substitute instead of L, W plus 4 plus W equal to 36. So this implies there are 2W here. So 2W plus 4 is equal to 36. So in this equation all are multiples of 2. So we can divide by 2 on both sides. Then we get W plus 2 is equal to that. No, this is when you divide by 2. So 1 2s are 2. The balance will be 1. 8 2s are 60. So W will be equal to 18 plus 2 will become minus 2 on other side, which is equal to 16. So we get W is equal to 16. So we can substitute in 2. So substitute W is equal to 16 in 2. Then we get L is equal to 16 plus 4, which is equal to 20. So we got L and W. So we can say length of the garden equal to 20 meter. Then width of the garden equal to W we got as 16. So it is equal to 16 meter. So this is the solution for this problem. I hope you can understand. So let me go to the next problem. Problem 6. Given that linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometric representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines, parallel lines, coincident lines. So they gave a equation which is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. So this is the equation given. We have to form another equation so that they are intersecting lines. So if the lines are to be intersecting, then the condition is A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2. So here A1 is 2 and B1 is 3. So we should get the ratio such that these ratios are not equal. So we can frame a prime number. So here instead of 2, you can write another prime number 5. So it will be 2 divided by 5. So next is B1 by B2 is 3 divided by something. So it should not be 2 divided by 5. So we can say it can be some other number 4. So 3 divided by 4 and 2 divided by 5 are not equal. Minus C2 can be some other number. So it can be 7, which is equal to 0. So then these equations 1 and 2 will satisfy this condition, then we will get intersecting lines. So this is the first part. So second part is we should get parallel lines. So parallel line means it should satisfy the condition A1 by A2 should be equal to B1 by B2, but it should not be equal to C1 by C2. So we are going to multiply the first equation by 3 only for coefficient of x and coefficient of y, because C1 by C2 should not be equal. So we are multiplying by 3. So 2 3s are 6 plus 3 3s are 9. So constant we can write some other number. So it can be 10, which is equal to 0. So if you check the condition A1 by A2, so it is 2 divided by 6. B1 by B2, it is 3 divided by 9. Constant term, it is minus 8 divided by minus 10. So 2 divided by 6 means 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So this one 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Here both the negatives gets cancelled into table. It is 4 2s are 8 and 5 2s are 10. So these two are equal and C1 by C2 is not equal. So this is the solution for the second condition. Now we are going to check coincident lines. So coincident line means we will get A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So all the ratios should be equal. So we can multiply the first equation throughout by any number. Suppose I am going to multiply by 3. 3 already we multiplied here. So I am going to multiply by 5. So if we multiply the first equation by 5, we get 2 5s are 10 plus 3 5s are 15, 10x here, 10x plus 15y minus 5 8s are 40 equal to 0. So this is the equation. So if we check A1 by A2, it is 2 divided by 10. B1 by B2, it is 3 divided by 15. C1 by C2, minus 8 divided by minus 40. So 2 divided by 10, we can divide by 2. 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. 3 divided by 15, dividing by 3. 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. Here both the negatives get cancelled. So 1 8s are 8, 5 8s are 40. So all the ratios are equal. So this condition is satisfied. Okay, I hope you can understand. So let me go to the next problem, which is the last problem of this exercise. So the next problem is draw the graphs of the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. So we have to find the two solutions for this problem and plot the points, draw the graph and find out the triangle and their vertices. So this is the problem. So let us solve it. So first equation is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So as usual, we are going to substitute the values. So first I am going to substitute x is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, this equation will be 0 minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So minus y, which is equal to plus 1 will become minus 1. So both the negatives gets cancelled. So y is equal to 1. So next I am going to substitute x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, 2 minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So minus y plus 3 equal to 0. So minus y equal to plus 3 will become minus 3. So both the negatives gets cancelled. So y is equal to 3. So we get 3. So we got the coordinates for this equation. Next equation, 3x plus 2y minus 12. So first one we are going to substitute x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, 3 into 0, 0 plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. So then 2y will be equal to 12. Minus 12 will become plus 12. So y will be equal to 2 is in product. So when it comes to other side, it will become division. So 12 by 2 is 6. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. Next I am going to take x is equal to 4. So when x is equal to 4, 3 fours are 12 plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. So 12 minus 12 is 0. So 0 plus 2y equal to 0. This implies 2y equal to 0. Then y will be equal to 0. So answer is 0. So we got the solutions. Now we have to plot the values. So this is x-axis. So this is negative x-axis and this is positive y-axis and negative y-axis. So I am going to take 1 point for x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. In y-axis, I am going to take 2 points because here I have y is equal to 6. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Negative value minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. So plotting the values. So for the first equation we got 0, 1. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 will be here. So this is 0, 1 and 2, 3. So 2, 3 will be between 2 and 4. So this is 2, 3. So joining the lines. Next one is 0, 6. So 0 is here and 6 is here. 0, 6. Next one 4, 0. So which is at the end. This is 4, 0. So joining the lines. So this is the triangle we got. So I am shading the triangles. So this is the triangle. So its vertices, we found it. So its vertices are 2, 3, 4, 0. Here it meets at minus 1, 0. So we can write here. I am going to write here. So vertices. So I am going to mark it as A and this is B and this is C. So vertices of the triangle. So they are A of A is 2, 3. B of B is here which meets at minus 1, 0. So minus 1, 0 and C of C value is 4, 0. So this is the vertices of the triangle. So I hope you can understand. So solution, they both meet at 2, 3. So for this equation, the solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So that is both the equation have the common point 2, 3 and vertices of the triangle are A of 2, 3, B of minus 1, 0 and C of 4, 0. So I hope you can understand all the problems. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, just share, like and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. Thank you. Thank you for your support.